It's Monday, September 18th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Patato of eXp Realty, your BC, Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap lakefront specialist. And don't be surprised if the week ahead revives interest rate fears. Most economists anticipating the Tuesday's Consumer Price Index from StatsCan will show substantially higher inflation last month to around 4% from 3.3% in July. One less option for Canadians seeking car loans. The Bank of Montreal citing bad debt for a decision to wind down its retail auto financing business, an unspecified number of job cuts expected. Broadcasting around the world on X, TikTok, and wherever you get your favorite podcast, it's Canada's Business Beat, proudly sponsored by Eric Patato of eXp Realty. Considering a move to BC's wine country? Eric is your BC, Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap Lakeview specialist at OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com. Building activity, the latest sign of a slowing economy across the country. StatsCan reporting a sharp drop for investment in building construction, which was down 2.6% to $17.5 billion in July. Residential building lower for the fifth month in a row. An emerging Vancouver mining company celebrating a new mine approval. Taseko Mines landing a final okay from the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency for a promising copper project in Arizona, expected to produce around 85 million pounds annually. Global pressure to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and the rising price of world oil, the hot topics, as Calgary is hosting the who's who in the oil sector this week, with corporate execs to government officials from oil-producing nations attending the 24th Annual World Petroleum Congress. And checking the Business Beat radar for the week ahead, besides the latest inflation data, StatsCan will be out with second quarter job vacancies on Tuesday, July's employment insurance count on Thursday, and July retail sales will wrap up the week on Friday. And that will do it for your Monday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Patato and OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com.